Hey everybody, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and today I'm going to do a problem from section 3A. This is uses and abuses of percentages. So the problem here is it says compare A and B in three ways, where A is 51,442. That's the number of deaths due to a deadly disease in the United States in 2005. And B is 17,033 is the number of deaths due to the same diseases in the United States in 2009. Boy, what if they had the number of deaths due to the diseases in 2020? I bet they're going to update this book pretty soon here. But anyways, so it says A, find the ratio of A to B. B, find the ratio of B to A. And C, complete the sentence. A is what percent of B? So I'm going to let you know where in the book to kind of guide you to answer these, and then we'll take a look at them. All right, so they talk about the percentage problems on page 128, and for A here, it says find the ratio of A to B. And when they say ratio, ratio means just a fraction, and A to B means you want to put A on the top and B on the bottom. We're simply going to take the calculator here, and we're going to do A on the top, which is the 51,442, divided by B on the bottom, which is the 17,033. So that would be 51,442 divided by 17,033. And the answer, and we'll go out to two decimal places, I believe that's what it asked for in my math lab, so the answer to that would be 3.02. So I'm going to write that. So for A, the answer to this one, rounded to two decimal places, would be 3.02. All right. So B, it says find the ratio of B to A. Once again, ratio tells us fraction. B to A means B on top, A on the bottom. So we'll do the opposite. So B goes on top, 17,033 divided by A on the bottom, 51,442. And we're going to get rounded to two decimal places, we'll get 0.33. So that's our answer, 0.33. And lastly, it says complete the sentence. A is what percent of B? Well, we know the ratio of A to B is 3.02, and to convert that to a percent, we are just going to move the decimal place 2 to the right. So it's 302% of B, and I'm going to show you another way to do that as well. If we didn't already know that that's what the ratio was, we could also set this up as a proportion in the following way. And I usually do it like this. P over B is equal to R over 100. And this is something that I teach in the 110 class. And the R is for rate. That's my percentage here. The P is the part. That's the one that's associated with the word is. The B is the base or the whole. That's the one that's associated with the word of. So I just stick the values in there, and the 100 just stays 100. So when we set that proportion up here, and we look back here, A is, so the word is going to go here, and we know that A is 51, so I'm going to put 51,442 where the P is, 442, because A is associated with the word is, and that's what A is. And then of B, so B is associated with the word of, and B is this amount, so of goes down there. So I'm going to 17,033 is equal to, the percent is our unknown here, so R is what we're solving for, over 100. So we can set up a proportion here. And then in order to solve a proportion, we're going to cross multiply. So 17,033R is going to be equal to 100 times that, which is 51442 with a couple of zeros. We'll put those commas in. So 5,144,200. And if you divide by both sides, you're going to get R is equal to, I'm pretty sure we're going to get that 302%. Let's just verify that, make sure I'm doing anything wrong. But you're going to get, divide both sides by the 17,033, so 5,144,200 divided by 17,033. And sure enough, we'll round to the nearest whole number, comes out to 302. So 302. So that would be our R, which is our percentage in this case. So A is 302% of B. All right, I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, let me know, and have a great rest of your week. Thanks.